I want to do a quick comparison audio from Insta360 One RS. This is a recording using the internal mic, and this is how it sounds with the same environment outdoor, and this is the quality of the audio. And then next I'm gonna switch to the external audio using the adapter from Insta360. It's quite expensive, this one, using the Rode Wireless Me. Okay, now switch to the using the external mic. Okay, now in the same space, same outdoor, but using the external mic from Rode Wireless Me. So how does it sound? Okay, let me how you think. So comment down below. See you.